My name's Helen Ding and I manage the Wellbeing Service at Eastbourne campus. Part of the service we offer is to help you get external referrals to different support agencies in and around the area. We can help you with identifying what sort of support you need and which agency would be the best to offer you that support. We'll also support you through putting that referral in yourself, or we can do it for you. There are many different agencies around and they're all very proactive in supporting our students. We work closely already with many different ones. We look forward to seeing you in September and hopefully you'll have a lovely summer.
Hello, my name's Lydia. I'm the Safeguarding Manager for the Hastings campuses. As part of our role, we provide safeguarding support for all of our students. Safeguarding essentially means keeping you safe from harm and passing on any concerns about your well-being that we may have. As part of this provision, we provide safeguarding telephone numbers. These can be called or text to report any concerns about a student if they're at risk of harm or if they're experiencing a personal crisis. These numbers can be contacted Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 and responded to immediately. You can find the number on the back of your college lanyard, on the college website and on the posters up around the college buildings. In addition to the safeguarding telephone numbers, we also have safe rooms. These rooms are where you can go if you're feeling stressed or anxious or agitated and can just have some time out and relax. If you have any further questions about safeguarding, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with myself or the other safeguarding managers who will be more than happy to answer your questions. On behalf of the wellbeing teams, I'd like to wish you the best for the summer and we really look forward to welcoming you to the college in September. Take care. Bye bye.
Hi, my name's Julia Proven and I'm the Safeguarding Manager here at Lewes College. As part of our teams, our wellbeing teams, we provide one-to-one support for you. You will have a study programme tutor whilst you're at college. If you're in need of any extra additional support, you can refer yourself, or your parents and carers can refer yourselves to our teams, and we can provide one-to-one support through our wellbeing mentors. So if you need any extra support for stress, anxiety, any kind of mental health issue, or just somebody to talk to, we can arrange that and you can come and see our fantastic team of mentors by arrangement that suits you.